Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Yeah, the Ethereum chart, we are currently tracking here still this ongoing sideways range. I mean, I have to say price action is less exciting than on the Bitcoin chart. We're just in a range, okay? We are in a range, and I can give you 10 wave counts here. It wouldn't be helpful. We just have to wait until this gets resolved. Overall, I think the message is quite clear. I'm looking for higher prices overall. There could be another dip. Potentially targeting here the area between $2,274 to $2,365. For example, Bitcoin is currently working on a potential 5-wave move up, which you might have seen in the video earlier today, so would expect the 5th wave there. If that happens, Ethereum might not follow, but might then, when Bitcoin forms a pullback, form a lower low. I mean, that's just one thought process here that I'm following, one line of thought, but overall we have to take each chart on its own. And that tells us that initial resistance is located at $2,529. That's currently still being respected. But yeah, as I said, I wouldn't be surprised if that's being taken out. If it is, it might be the next indication that we need that the market is trying to make another upside breakout attempt. However, I mean, there's a little bit more work required to really prove that, because we had several attempts here, especially the last main one occurred on the 29th of May. The price formed a slightly higher high than the previous ones from the 23rd of May and the 13th of May. But a decisive upside breakout is still has not happened yet. So if we get that upside breakout, then the next upside levels to watch are $2,911 and $3,093. I would see this as an extension of the A wave. I mean, maybe, because this is such a long sideways move, maybe this is already all of the B wave, but that it's impossible to know, right? It's impossible to know. All I can do is show you the standard support area for a wider B wave. And if this is all of the B wave here sideways, again, it's impossible to know, but then you could use one of these key levels here below as I said, as key risk levels, for example. I mean, probably this one, 2,272. Above that level, I think we are still in the range. I mean, this is the level that I would say, as long as we're holding this one, we're still in the broader sideways range. And we could maybe get one more high, or direct upside continuation. Once we start to break below this 9th of May low, at 2,272, I think the lower support area comes into focus. So this is currently just a sideways consolidation, correction over time, not price. And Ethereum has really not done anything super exciting over the last few weeks. So I think pay attention to $2,529. I'm not telling you this has to hold. It's pretty low confidence price action here, because we're dealing with corrective price action up and down. I can tell you, if we break above this 2,529 level, the next main level to watch will be this one at around 2,680. Above that, I think it becomes clear Ethereum is trying to stretch towards 2,911 to 3,093. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.